Now, types of plan. An organization has to prepare a plan before making any decision related to a business operations or any project. Plan is a specific action proposed to help the organization to achieve its objective. It is a document that outline how our goals will be achieved. Length of a plan decide a planning period. Our plans are basically divided into two categories. One is a single use plan, another one is a standing plan. Single use and standing plan are the part of the operational planning process. Now let's discuss a single use plan. A word single use plan describes a one time event or a project. It can't be repeated in a future. They are non-recurring type. The duration of this type of plan, it may be a week or month or a day, etc. For example, you want to conduct any seminar, it may be a 1 or 2 days, or you want to done a conference, it may be a 1 or 2 hour. It means that thing you can't repeat again. It discard when the project or event is over. When the task is over, leave that. You draft for new project, new plans. Single use plans are basically budgets, programs, projects. Examples are budget for annual general meeting, budget for your home. आप अपने घर के लिए बजट बनाते हो. Every month your parent draft a new budget because the demands, needs, requirements would be changed. And standing plans are those plans that occur regularly over a time period. It is designed to ensure that internal operations of an organization run smoothly. Such plans help in decision making. It is usually developed once but used over again and again. We can modify the things according to the requirement of our business. Standing plans are like policies, procedure, rules, method. If you want to adopt anything, you have to follow up proper steps. That is a part of our standing plan. Our plans are basically divided into 8 categories: objective, strategy, policy, procedure, rule, method, budget, program. Let's discuss about objectives. Objectives are the end result which a management seek to achieve by its operation. Objective define a future state of affair which an organization try to achieve. You want to achieve 95% marks. That is called the objective. Objective represent the end point of planning. You want to become a CA. That is the end point. But here a +2, you want to get a 95% marks. That is the end point of this year. The end result of activity. Objectives basically decided by a top management. Objective are a guide for overall planning. Different departments different units, different persons may have their own objective, but the main objective is to achieve our organization goals. Objective needed to be expressed in a specific term, that is a quantitative term. For example, you want to get a 95% marks in a final examination. That quantitative figure in the end of year you can check it, evaluate it, you have to achieve a goal or not. Second, strategy. Strategy is a comprehensive plan for accomplish of an organization objective, taking business environment into a consideration. It includes three dimensions. A first dimension is determining long-term objective of a business. What is the long-term objective? Our life long-term objective to become a CA. Second, adopting a particular course of action. How you can achieve the goals. Third, allocating a resources necessary to achieve that objective. कैसे कैसे आप डिवाइड करोगे अपने डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज को so that you can achieve your goal. First, you clear a good marks in a +2, then entrance test, then other levels. A strategy provides a broad contour of an organization. It refers to future decision defining an organization direction, scope in a long run. And a strategy takes into a consideration the business environment and competition. आपकी स्ट्रेटजी हर एक चीज़ को देखकर बनेगी, environment को, competitors को, persons को, then you have to achieve your goals. Let's discuss an example. A company marketing strategy relating to the following question. Who are the consumer? कौन होगा आपका consumer? What is the demand for the product? What they are demanding? What is the pricing policy? Which channel of distribution you should use? And how do we advertise our products? These are the points you have to keep in mind while starting your business. If the organization anticipate that the competitor are going to reduce the price of their product, then you have to plan the strategy accordingly.